Today we've just unboxed the Smittybilt Rapid Tyre Deflator. This tyre deflator is used for checking the tyre pressure on our car's tyres, and it also can deflate them, perfect for taking off-road. The pressure gauge itself, it's actually got a plastic cover here. I was expecting it to be a glass cover, but I guess the plastic is more durable and less likely to break off-road. It's got a rubber sheath around the pressure gauge itself, a flexible braided hose, and then a part that attaches to the tyre itself. There's two components to this. This lower ring is what's screwed onto the tyre valve, and then this second part is what can be used to remove the valve from the tyre itself, and this is what allows us to deflate the tyre quickly. So to use it, attach this to the tyre by screwing it onto the valve, and then use this secondary piece to grip the tyre valve, unscrew it from the tyre, and it will pop out like that. You can deflate the tyre to the required level and then press this back in, screw the valve back together, unscrew it from the wheel, and you're good to go. So that's the Smittybilt Rapid Tyre Deflator. It comes with this little storage pouch as well, and to be honest, I'm a little bit disappointed with this pouch. To fit the tyre gauge into the pouch, we actually have to coil the hose very tightly to get it to fit. It's just odd shaped. You may have also looked at the ARB equivalent of this, and this is almost identical in size and operation. The ARB pouch I just felt was a bit better quality, a bit better designed for this unit. But overall, this is a compact tyre deflator. Look forward to taking it off-road and going exploring.